Hello, it's Carly here for another video. So I just wanted to come on here and talk about how people think that these dogs don't like their jobs and that they have a rough life and whatever. These dogs love their job. They will let you know whenever they are done working. Like, Oscar lets me know all the time whenever he is done for the day. He will let me know that he's done for the day. But they will let you know if they just don't want to work anymore. And by the way, all of these dogs, they don't all pass the program. Some of these dogs, they go on to do other stuff. So they go on to be therapy dogs. Some of them are involved. They go to prisons to help comfort the people in prison. Some dogs are seizure alert dogs. Some are become medical alert dogs. So these dogs, if they don't want to become a guide dog, they can become a service animal for somebody else that has other stuff going on with them. So no, these dogs love their jobs, and they get time off. I'm not working him all day every day. I take off with him on the days that I get off of work. So sometimes most of the time we don't come in on Saturdays, but sometimes we do come on to work on Saturdays, even though we don't have to be at work on Saturdays. But I give him Saturday, Sunday off, and then we're closed on Mondays. So he gets 3 days off, and then he works, Tuesday through Friday. So, I mean, he does a lot. But he is doing a good job for me. I'm doing a good job. We got a little comfortable with each other, which is good. I mean, that means that our bond, we're fully bonded and stuff like that. But we need to keep working together as a team. As in, I need to use the hand signals and voice commands to communicate with him, like I was taught at the beginning, even though he knows my routes, because that's going to help me out in the long run if we go somewhere else that I don't know and I'm the one who's giving direction. So, and also so he doesn't forget his training, of course. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and talk about that these dogs have a good life. They love to work. They get time off. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one.